Hello, student. I hope you are doing well. Do you want to learn English and improve your speaking English? Then this video is for you. In this video, you will learn daily life lesson English sentences. These sentences are simple, easy, and useful in daily life. Are you ready for today's video? So let's start the video. My name is Ramesh. I'm farmer. I live in a small village. My village is very quiet and peaceful. There are so many trees, green fields, and fresh air. I love my village very much. Every day, I wake up early in the morning. I wake up at 5 o'clock. The sun is not up yet. The sky is still dark. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I drink a glass of water. After that, I go to the field. My field is near my house. I walk to the field every day. While walking, I see birds. The birds sing sweet songs. I feel happy when I hear them. When I reach the field, I start my work. I grow many crops. I grow wheat, rice, and vegetables. Farming is not easy, it's hard work. What I like my work, first, I check the soil. Then, I water the plants. Water is very important for crops. If there is no water, the plant will die. Sometimes I use a tractor. Sometimes I work with my hands. I remove weeds from the field. Weeds are not good for crops. They take food from the plants, so I remove them carefully. At 9 o'clock, I go back home. My wife makes breakfast for me. I sit with my family. We eat together, we talk and laugh. I love my family very much. After breakfast, I go back to the field again. The sun is now bright. The weather becomes hot. But I continue my work. Sometimes I feel tired. So I sat under a tree. I rested for some time. Then I drink water and start again. In the afternoon, I eat my lunch. My wife sends lunch for me. I eat simple food. I eat roti, vegetables, and sometimes rice. After lunch, I walk again. I check the plants. I make sure everything is fine. Sometimes insects come to the field, they harm the crops. So I protect my plant. In the evening, I finish my work. I feel very tired but also happy. I walk back home slowly. When I reach home, my children run to me, they hug me. I feel very happy. Then I take a bath. After that, I sat with my family. We drink tea together. In the evening, I also talk to other farmers. We share our problems and ideas. We help each other. At night, we eat dinner. After dinner, I rest. Sometimes I listen to the radio. Sometimes I just sit quietly. Then I go to sleep early. This is my daily life. Farming depends on nature. If comes on time, crops grow well. If there is no rain, it is difficult. Sometimes there is too much rain. This is also a problem. But I never lose hope. I work hard every day. I believe in my farm. I am proud of to be a farmer. Farmers give food to everyone. Without farmers, there is no food. People in cities eat food every day. What farmers grow that food. So farming is very important. My father was also a farmer. He taught me everything. Now I teach my son. I want him to learn farming, but I also want him to study. Education is very important. He goes to school every day. He studies well. I feel proud of him. Life is simple in the village. We do not have big buildings. What we have peace. We have fresh air. We have clean water. And we have happiness. Sometimes life is difficult, but we stay strong, we support each other. I love my life, I love my work, I'm a farmer. Thank you.